Set number 9 for multiple choice questions. First question. The raindrops are spherical in shape because of. Now the spherical shape of raindrops is because of surface tension. Option A. The reason is surface tension. The average kinetic energy of a gas. The average kinetic energy of a gas. Kinetic energy का formula. Kinetic energy average is equal to 3 by 2 kBT. So average kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 kBT. Kb is called as Boltzmann constant. T is called as temperature. So what do we see? Kinetic energy of a gas is proportional to temperature. Option A. It is directly proportional to absolute temperature. The graph of pressure versus volume for an ideal gas for different path is shown. The graph OA represents. Now when volume is constant, that is called as isochoric. So OD is isochoric. OD is isochoric process. OA is called as isobaric process. That means the pressure is constant. Now remaining is OP and OC. So they are asking is what is the curve OA? So OA is isobaric. That is option C. Okay. OB and OC. In OB will be isothermal. OC will be adiabatic. Next, number 4. The standing waves are produced on a fixed string at both ends. So when there is a standing waves produced on both ends, then what will happen? All the particles between the two consecutive antinodes vibrate in phase. All have the same phase. That is option D. What changes are observed in a diffraction pattern if the whole apparatus is immersed in water? So water is having some refractive index. So when you immerse it in a refractive index, the width of central maximum will change. So how will it change? It will decrease. The width of central maximum will decrease. How? Width of central maximum is inversely proportional to the refractive index. So the refractive index increases, the width will decrease. Okay? Width is denoted by x or beta, whatever. Okay? So width of the central maximum will decrease because it is immersed in water. तो water है मतलब water का refractive index कितना है 1.33. water नहीं है मतलब क्या होगा air है. तो air का refractive index कितना है? mu का value कितना होता है 1 for air. So पहले 1 था, बाद में water में डाल दिया तो refractive index बढ़ गया. So if the refractive index will increase, the width will decrease. So width is inversely proportional to refractive index. Number 6. The magnitude of the magnetic field at the center of the circular coil varies as. So we know that magnetic field at the center is given by mu naught I upon 2R. So B is proportional to current. B is inversely proportional to distance. R is not radius, R is distance. So it is inversely proportional to square of the radius? No. It is directly with the radius? No. Inversely with radius? Yes. C option. Inversely with radius. B is inversely proportional to R. ठीक है. Option में ये भी दे सकते हैं. B is proportional to I. ये भी लिख सकते हैं option में. So if you know the formula, you can answer the question. Balmer series obtained when all the transition of electron terminate on. So we know that the hydrogen spectrum first series आता है Lyman n equal to 1. Next आता है Balmer. Balmer में n का वैल्यू क्या होता है 2. तो second orbit. ठीक है. Then क्या आता है Paschen. Paschen series n equal to 3. Then bracket. Bracket में n equal to 4. And last में आता है Fund series. So that is n equal to 5. ठीक है. So पांचों नाम याद रखने हैं. That is mandatory. Next, number 8 sum. A simple harmonic oscillator has an amplitude of 16 centimeter and period of 4 seconds. The time interval required to travel from 16 to 8. Displacement जब 16 to 8 होगा, how much time will it require to travel from 16 to 8? ठीक है. So this is what we know. We want to find out. So in this case, first amplitude दिया है 16 centimeter. So 16 centimeter amplitude is given and period is 4 seconds. So if it is traveling from 16 to 8, मतलब it is traveling from extreme position. So extreme position में क्या formula है? X equal to A cos omega t. So X equal to A cos omega t. यहाँ पे T पता करना है. So T will be equal to X upon A. ठीक है. X upon A, or we can say in other words, ऐसा मत करो. So otherwise we can do one thing. यहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं? Cos omega t will be equal to X by A. So omega t will be equal to cos inverse of X by A. Do it like this. ठीक है. So in omega t will be equal to cos inverse of X by A. Omega की जगह पे आएगा 2 pi by t. Omega की जगह पे आएगा 2 pi by t. ठीक है. So and X upon A हमें substitute करना है यहाँ पे. So this will be equal to T will be equal to 1 by omega cos inverse of X by A. ओमेगा की जगह पे आएगा 2 पाई बाई टी, तो उल्टा हो जाएगा तो t अपॉन 2 पाई. t अपॉन इनवर्स ऑफ x बाय a, ठीक है। सो डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना हो रहा है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो रहा है 8, राइट। डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज गोइंग फ्रॉम 16, इट इज गोइंग फ्रॉम 16 to 8, राइट। एंड एम्पलीट्यूड कितना है 16, टाइम पीरियड कितना है 4। सो सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू, यू विल गेट दैट हाफ सेकेंड, ठीक है। वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो हाफ आंसर आ जाएगा। डिस्प्लेसमेंट लेना है 16 एंड एम्पलीट्यूड ऑल्सो 16, ठीक है। डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज 16 to 8, सॉरी डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज 16 to 8, तो x का वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा 8, a का वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा 16, x का वैल्यू 8 कैसे आएगा 16 minus 8, यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट, सो 8 अपॉन 16, ठीक है। यहाँ पे x अपॉन a की जगह, एंड टाइम पीरियड मतलब t का वैल्यू दिया है 4 सेकंड, तो यू हैव टू सॉल्व दैट एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर एज हाफ सेकंड। In a potentiometer experiment, the cell balances at a length of 240 cm. When the cell is shunted by a resistance of 2 ohm, then what will happen? The balancing length becomes 120, the internal resistance. So internal resistance का formula. So R equal to R into L2 by L1 minus 1 into capital R. So ये पहला वाला लेंथ दिया है 240 एंड उसके लिए कैपिटल R का वैल्यू दिया है, देन यहाँ पे बैलेंसिंग लेंथ का वैल्यू L2 का वैल्यू दिया है। So substitute the value. So what will you get? So R will be equal to L2 upon L1. L2 upon L1 करेंगे तो 120 upon 140 minus 1. So 120 upon 240 minus or L1 by L2. We can take L1 by L2. Take L1 by L2. So this is 240 upon 120. 240 upon 120. So this is 240. I'll just erase this and write. This will be 240 upon 120, ठीक है। So here this will be 240 divided by 120 minus 1 into capital R कितना है 2, so ये कैंसिल कर दो, ये आ जाएगा 2, 2 minus 1 is 2, sorry 2 minus 1 1, 1 into 2, so that is equal to 2 ohm, right, B option. Then a small piece of metal wire is dragged across a gap between the pole pieces of a magnet in time दिया है, टाइम का वैल्यू दिया है 0.5 seconds. The magnetic flux is given as phi, the EMF induced is, so E equal to flux time. तो फ्लक्स का वैल्यू कितना है 8 into 10 raised to minus 4 डिवाइड बाई टाइम कितना है 0.5, तो 0.5 ऊपर जाएगा तो 2 बन जाएगा, तो 8 2 16, तो ये बन जाएगा 10 raised to minus 4, बट 10 के पावर माइनस 4 में कोई भी ऑप्शन नहीं है, सब मिली वोल्ट में है। मिली वोल्ट कितना होता है, मिली वोल्ट होता है 10 raised to minus 3, सो इफ करेंगे तो मिलेगा 1.6 मिली वोल्ट, मिलेगा 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 3, सो 10 raised to minus 3 कितना होता है 10 raised to minus 3 means milli, so the answer is option A 1.6 millivolt.